Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. Let's see what is this. It's not for me, but it's for my husband. Let's see what's in here. Ta-da! So that's it. So this is Doro. The brand is Doro E22 Leva. This is unknown brand.
Yeah, they used to make mobiles from many years ago.
Really?
Yeah, cheap mobiles, but it's not really cheap anymore.
So it's the first time I heard this.
Sainsbury's used to sell them about 30 years ago.
30 years ago?
Not 30. Before mobiles became smart mobiles.
Okay, let's see what's this, guys. Oh, you know, guys. You know this one, guys. This is mobile. There. Uy, anak. Oh, it's very light. Oh, there's no battery. That's why it's light. So, oh, it's very nice color, guys. Look at that.
You know the color I like.
Yeah. And there's a camera there. And on this side, there's two buttons.
Probably the volume.
The volume, yeah. And that is the camera. When you press to take the camera, and then there's a
You should. It's not
thing
the
here.
actual camera, the lens.
The lens, yeah. So this is to charge, and I don't know what. And headphone and the charge. So like that, guys. So this is very simple but nice.
Yeah, simple, but not simple enough. They're saying it's quite complicated again.
Really?
Yeah.
So yeah, so it's just numbers and that's it. There's no this is not Android, darling. No. So you didn't use internet yet.
No.
So you only use this
Not
for
interested
phone.
in using the internet on a mobile.
So you only use this for phoning.
Yeah, phoning and texts.
And
if,
that's
if and when you have to.
Yeah, and it's okay, guys, because look, it's very thin, and it's like compact.
Similar to the one I got at the moment, but I'm
Yeah.
having problems with the one I got. When I phone, after about a minute, it starts crackling, the sound. I only had that for a couple of months. That was an unknown brand. A little bit cheaper than this. Is the battery in the box?
Oh, so
Maybe you can install the battery.
here.
Usually they put a bit of charge, so.
Oh yeah, the battery is here. That's why this is light, guys, because there's no battery. So this is a lid. So it's quite long.
Yeah, that will be the charging lid.
Yeah, charging lid. And this one is let's see. Oh, so you have to put it in here too.
So it's got a thing.
So like that.
I would have preferred that if it
So the
just plugs
thing,
straight
is it
into
just
the
a-
mobile. It just takes up more space.
So it's like landline. Like there is a stand.
Yeah.
So these are the guides. Yeah. Oh wow, it's a lot. You have to choose which dialect you got, which language you understand.
I bet none of them give you any proper instructions about the phone itself. You want to put the battery in the mobile.
So this is the English one. So you want to see the thing, how to do it. So that's it. That's the quick guide.
I just hope it's the right size SIM card, the nano size.
So this is, it says rechargeable.
Just leave it. I'll do that later.
Okay, you can do it
I have to
later. So
get the thing
we
as
have,
well.
my husband will have to figure out, guys, how to put this. It's already complicated. It's haven't
I'm not
started
even
yet.
sure if it takes the nano size SIM card. If it doesn't, I'll have to send it back.
Okay, guys, so this is it. The battery is already in.
SIM card is in.
SIM card is in. So that's it. So this is how it looks like. And this is easy to use now. This is easy to use, guys,
Yeah,
because
reasonably easy to use, and it's not a smart mobile for
it's
those
only
who don't
phone.
want a computer
Yeah.
in their hand.
So that's how it looks like, guys. So, and that was the thing, the box. So it yes, it says what it says in the tin.
Brand is Doro. Model number is
Doro.
E22 Leva.
E22 Leva.
It's got a built-in
And
camera in case anybody wants a camera with it.
Yeah, so it just camera.
Torchlight and all that.
Oh, really? There's a
It's-
torchlight as
yeah.
well. Oh, so
Well,
it's
it's a basic mobile for making calls, texts, and that's it.
so it's very easy to use,
Those who don't want
just like that.
anything to do with computers, then this is a good mobile. It's a bit expensive for what it is. It's just £73. But then I don't have much choice. It's a 4G. And you need a 4G now because the 2 3Gs are not being serviced anymore. They're not transmitting them in those anymore. And I think this is easier to use than the Nokia, which costs around the same price.
And this is
That's
unknown
that's
brand.
why I've bought this instead of the Nokia, which I'm not too keen on.
So you find it easy to use.
Yeah, this one's definitely a bit easier.
So that's good. And it's the screen.
It's a bit bigger as well.
Yeah, and it switches off in a few minutes.
Yeah,
few
you can change the setting in that.
Oh, really? So
Yeah.
because but when you open, it's like that straight away.
Yeah.
This is a very good mobile, guys. Only if you don't use internet.
Yes.
It's good for the elderly.
Yeah, like me.
And for the people who don't use internet, this is good for them.
Well, I mean, I use the internet, but I got a laptop at home. I don't want to.
Yeah, I mean,
I
they
don't
don't
want to
use
carry a
internet on mobile.
internet with me.
Yeah, so it's easy to use internet and laptop and tablet and desktop, not
Yes.
on the
Mobile.
mobile because the screen is too
I
small.
don't need it on a mobile.
Yeah, that's right. So
That's it.
so that's it, guys. This is the unboxing and review. So thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Thank you. Tara. Love, love, love.